Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi, a hardliner long regarded as a potential successor to Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has been killed in a helicopter crash near the Azerbaijan border. Officials and state media reported on Monday. The tragic incident occurred in mountainous terrain, further complicating the rescue efforts. Raisi's untimely death has prompted an outpouring of condolences from world leaders, critics and supporters of the Islamic Republic alike, highlighting the significant impact of his passing on both domestic and international affairs. Qatar's Emir, Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, expressed his condolences to the Iranian government and the people of Iran on the death of President Ibrahim Raisi in a short statement on X. My sincere condolences to the government and people of the Islamic Republic of Iran on the death of President Ibrahim Raisi, Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian, and the accompanying officials in the painful helicopter accident, the Emir said in a post on X. Iraq's Prime Minister Mohammad Shia al-Sudani said his country expresses support for the Iranian people and leaders following the tragic incident. According to an official statement, with profound sadness and deep sorrow, we received the tragic news of the passing of the President of Islamic Republic of Iran, Ibrahim Raisi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Hossein Amir Abdollahian, and their companions due to the unfortunate plane crash incident in northern Iran, the Iraqi Prime Minister said. Pakistan. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif also expressed condolences. In a tweet on X, the Pak PM declared a day of mourning in Pakistan and wrote, I, along with the government and people of Pakistan, extend our deepest condolences and sympathies to the Iranian nation on this terrible loss. May the martyred souls rest in heavenly peace. The great Iranian nation will overcome this tragedy with customary courage. Pakistan will observe a day of mourning and the flag will fly at half-mast as a mark of respect for President Raisi and his companions in solidarity with brotherly Iran. India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to X and wrote, deeply saddened and shocked by the tragic demise of Dr. Syed Ibrahim Raisi, President of the Islamic Republic of Iran. His contribution to strengthening India-Iran bilateral relationship will always be remembered. My heartfelt condolences to his family and the people of Iran. India stands with Iran in this time of sorrow. Hamas also released a statement on the news of the death of Iran's president. The statement conveyed Hamas' deepest condolences and solidarity to Iran's Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, the Iranian government and the Iranian people for this immense loss. It praised the deceased Iranian leaders for supporting the Palestinian cause and resistance against Israel and expressed confidence that Iran's deep-rooted institutions will enable it to overcome the repercussions of this great loss. As the news of the helicopter crash broke earlier and rescue operations were underway, Armenia and Azerbaijan had extended their support for Iran and hoped for the well-being of President Raisi. Armenia's Ministry of Foreign Affairs had tweeted the concern for Raisi and other Iranian officials on that flight and reaffirmed their commitment as a close ally of Iran. Shocked by the news coming from Iran, our thoughts and prayers are with President Raisi, Minister Amir Abdollahian, and all others reported to be at the site. As rescue operations continue, Armenia, as a close and friendly neighbor of Iran, is ready to provide all necessary support, the tweet read. The Republic of Azerbaijan had also tweeted their alarm over the news and declared themselves a friendly nation of the Islamic Republic, willing to provide any necessary support.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.